Okay, these stairs were covered with paper. It's epoxy. I don't believe it's polyaspartic. I believe this is epoxy here. But the paper, after being on these stairs for, I don't know, a month or a couple of months, this is what you've got. That almost looks like concrete to some degree. And look at the color. So this is Pandeck here too, so it's not slab on grade. You got about 2 inches worth of concrete in these pans that had cured for several months before this was done. But look at the color difference between, this is the way it looked when it was installed, this is the way it is now. But it's different because this isn't that, this is something else here. And this is actually, I tried doing some xylene on here, or acetone. Doesn't affect it because this is in the clear. There's something really weird up here. Check this out. There are two, like almost square patterns. They're almost identical in size. They are identical in size. And then you have all this going on. Again, this was an epoxy clear. The surface was ground. Epoxy clear was put on top of it with the flake and then re-cleared on top of that. It was papered within about 2 days, after 2 to 3 days after this being done. And now you've got this issue. And the problem is, you don't have, I don't know how much you've really got on here to grind in. There is a little elevation to grind into this maybe, carefully, to get into this surface again, but it's nominal, really nominal. We don't want to wind up tearing into these risers here with a grinder. So that would be an effort in itself, or maybe a solid color with flake on top of it, but it looks terrible. Have no idea what this is. Not really ours. Something happened though. Looks like something happened either on a, with maybe something where something was drawn in off that paper into the clear coat, if it hadn't gone through a full 7-day cure. I don't know. Any thoughts, suggestions?